All right, everyone, I'm John, and welcome to the Atlantic Antic. We've got a little over a mile of street fair to explore this afternoon. Let's go. Alright guys, so today I'm at the Atlantic Antic Street Festival, which is Brooklyn's longest and oldest, dating back to 1974. Street fairs are a part of life here in New York City, and there are dozens that take place during the warmer months in all 5 boroughs. There are a lot of things that make New York City street fairs awesome, from the food and music to the sense of community that they bring out. Some festivals are geared towards the arts, while some are all about the food. But one thing that all of the street festivals and fairs have in common are the vendors. You can find all sorts of things at these street fairs. That's one of my favorite things about coming to these. And I'm going to see what I can find here at the Atlantic Antic. I've got $25 in my pocket. I've got a $5 per vendor budget. That's it. I'm not going to buy any food or anything like that. But I'm going to see what I can buy for $5 or less. Let's go have some fun. What's your name?
Candace.
Candace.
Yeah.
It's so nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I just made my first purchase. It's a little bit of sage here for my wife, and I got that from my new friend Candace. So let's keep going and see what else we can pick up. So the Atlantic Antic, as the name suggests, runs along Atlantic Avenue, starting in downtown Brooklyn, between the Barclays Center and Atlantic Terminal. It runs west through the neighborhoods of Boerum and Cobble Hill before ending at Henry Street, which is just a short walk to the entrance to the Brooklyn Bridge Park. What's your name?
Ella.
Ella?
Yeah.
How long you been selling all this avocado stuff?
I've been doing this since 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Well,
It took a long time to build up the avocado gang here.
well, it's very, very cool.
Thank you so much.
Good luck with it all. Alright guys, so I just made another purchase. I got this awesome Don't Be a Guac Block coaster, whatever, from Ella over there. She's pretty much completely bought in on her avocado themed booth. So let's keep going. What else can we? This is a lot of fun. There's a ton of people out here today. It's October 1st. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's been raining here in New York City for it seems like the past week or so. But finally we got a break. It's Sunday. It's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I'm going to put the phone down, take some more pictures, and let's go check out the rest of the Atlantic Antic. So check it out guys, this is my latest purchase. It's a postcard of a print by a local artist, and it was only $5. It's pretty nice, pretty fierce looking, reminds me of my wife a little bit. That's why I got it. Hi there. I'd like to get that, please. Thank you. I stopped by to talk to these guys from Brick, which is Brooklyn's public access TV station. But they actually do a lot more than that. They do jazz festivals and radio and education. So I was talking to them about the adult media education program, which I'll probably look into a little bit further.
There's all sorts of great food here. Artwork. Look at this. I got some Spider-Man artwork behind me. Turn around a little bit. There's also a lot of our civic leaders, assemblymen, things like that. The NYPD is here recruiting. The Brooklyn Nets were back there doing some stuff. And there's a lot of giveaways and freebies and things like that. Like this. I just got a free roll. All I had to do is pretend to take a picture of someone's Instagram page and they gave you a pre-roll. So that's kind of fun. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm winking.
Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for me for today on Atlantic Avenue. I really hope you had a good time, and thank you so much for coming along with me. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and you can check out some of my other videos. Also, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. This helps other people with similar interests more easily find my videos. It's a really good thing, okay? And as always, please leave a comment. I'm here in New York City, and I'm totally open to suggestions for new routes, neighborhoods, landmarks, anything, whatever you might want to see. Let me know, and maybe we'll go take a look. But anyway, I'm John. Thank you again so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.